Okay, so to play repeated number, tap start game. And so numbers will flash on the screen, random numbers. You have to stop whenever you see a number that has appeared twice in the round. So if you miss the number or if you tap on the wrong number, so we just saw 50, that appeared twice. If you miss it or if you tap the wrong number, let's say we're going to go with this number. Okay, that was a coincidence. That was random. Okay, let's try again. Okay, we picked the wrong number. The game ended. Let's try again. 700, 534, 392, 465, 700 that has appeared twice at the beginning. So this is the whole point of the game. You just have to memorize all the numbers you see on the screen and decide that just decide when to stop the game if you notice that a number has appeared more than once. So yeah, that's it.